History. Founded in 1995 by visionary entrepreneurs in Cocoa, Florida, A L Fiberglass has been a prominent player in the marine industry for over 2 decades. Specializing in the production of flats fishing boats, the company has been a beacon of innovation and quality in boat manufacturing. Best Inventions. A L Fiberglass achieved notable success in 2006 with its Lagoon series, featuring a range of flats fishing boats. Among these, the Lagoon RS 15 FO, Lagoon Heron 16 FO, and Lagoon Heron Sport 16 FO stood out, showcasing the company's dedication to providing economical and efficient outboard-motored boats. These models, with their thoughtful design and specifications, became popular choices among boating enthusiasts, establishing A L Fiberglass as a brand synonymous with quality and affordability. Recent developments. A notable period in A L Fiberglass's history occurred between 2017 and 2020, when there was a temporary halt in production. Despite this pause, the company remains steadfast in its commitment to providing top-notch fiberglass repair services. This period allowed A L Fiberglass to regroup, strategize, and ensure that when production resumed, it would be marked by continued innovation and customer satisfaction. Current status. As of December 2023, A L Fiberglass stands as a reliable and reputable name in the marine industry. The company continues to offer a specialized range of flats fishing boats, maintaining its commitment to delivering economical options without compromising on quality.